Hello guys, it is English Teacher Channel for Good English. Once a question will be asked in your life, what you are or who you are. So you will have to tell about yourself. It may be an oral exam, it may be an interview, or it may be one incident in your life. When you speak to someone who is unknown, you have to tell about yourself. And while telling about ourselves, that is a very difficult matter to express. So, what to speak and how to speak about ourselves, it is a skill. You have to use good structures, good language, eye contact, confidence, and many other things. So, once in a life, you will be asked who you are and you will have to expose yourself. So, in our today's topic, we shall discuss about who you are and about yourself. So, see the video till the end and subscribe the channel. So, let us begin. In our interview or in our exam, we tell about ourselves. So, while telling ourselves, the first thing that should be noted that about our language skills, how you are speaking, whether you are speaking grammatically correct or not, that is important. What type of vocabulary are you using in your expressions, whether you are using superlative degree, whether you are using adjectives to express yourselves, that is the point. So first of all, your first impression, and that will be the last, you have to use good language to express yourself. What exactly the interviewer wants, you speak. The second thing, your attitude, your mentality, and your way of expression, your mental state, your position of standing, that is important. So while expressing yourself, you keep in your mind all these things. The next thing is your confidence, what you are speaking, what you are expressing, whether you are hesitating in your speaking, that is important. You speak clearly and correctly and in a gentle voice. You should not hesitate, you should not make repetition of your sentences, you should not fumble. So there should be a confidence on the face, that is important. The next thing is your body language. Your body language should be proper. Do not show additional expressions, don't move from your place, and do not make unnecessary movements, that is important. And your body language tells more than your words. Remind this, your body language tells more than your speaking. Then your likes and dislikes. Generally, we talk about ourselves, our name, education, family background, likes and dislikes. But it is not enough that my father is teacher and my mother is housewife all the time. According to age group, according to the condition, according to the situation, you have to express yourself. If you ask a child, tell about yourself, he will tell, I am a boy, I am 9 years old, like this. As you grow, you should expand your world of speaking. Your likes and dislikes, it will differ you from the other students. Your likes and dislike will differ you from the students. If you tell, I am I have passion to listen the songs of Lata Mangeshkar. I have listened carefully more than 20,000 songs. I like the batting of Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli. I see all the matches of tennis like this. So, expressing yourself, this point will differ you from other students and it will create your impression. So, what you are in your language, what you are in your attitude, what you are in your confidence, what is your body language, and what your likes and dislikes. This is the main point. You are telling about yourself and you tell your choice, your likes and your dislikes. So, your area will be fixed up to this point. You show your interest in sports, in social working, in the computer. So, this point will express you more than other points. So, be aware about this one. Then, your facial expressions, be positive. There should be a smile while entering, while expressing, or there should not be trace on your face. So, speak slowly, surely, and confidently. So, facial expressions should be normal. It should not be aggressive or it should not be traced. Then, how different you are. You tell different things as compared to others in your speaking. So, how different you are from other people, other student, that will be helpful. And for doing this, you show your areas of interest. You show your language skills. You show your personality by your attitude, by your uh, choice, by your speaking, by your expressions, you may say. So, you try to show all the time how other people and how I am. The next point is your eye contact. There should be eye contact with interviewer. Do not show here and there on the walls, on the boards, on the trees. You make eye contact with the interviewer and tell whatever you want to tell. So there should be stability. There should be eye contact. There should be communication. Non-verbal communication, you may say. Sometimes we don't speak, but our eyes speak. So make eye contact and tell something through your eyes and tell something by your words. So eye contact is more important while telling yourself. Then total awareness. In general, you tell many things about yourself from the childhood to the day today. You express many things and you show your awareness about the society, about the surrounding, about the environment, about the science and technology and all that. So try to show your span, your eye span, how great your eye span is. Try to show and try to show also your awareness about the world in general. So continuity should be there and to tell about ourselves is very difficult point. So you just fix some structures while doing so. You will have to face this question once in life, remember. So you just prepare your, you may say, biodata or about yourself and the way of expressing the grammatical structures, the vocabularies, the adjectives, degree, all that. So you just calculate your personality and you just calculate yourself. It is difficult thing to calculate ourselves. So you just use adjectives, rich language, vocabulary, correct language, your body language, your eye contact, and all this. So it is all about, friends, about ourselves, about yourself, you may say. So try to speak continuously and try to speak perfect language. This is our today's point. While learning language and while speaking language, we should do all these things. So thank you. It is all about today's lecture. We shall meet in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.